What if the American people set up a legal team to investigate our politicians? Yeah, I'm talking about the ones that uh, pretty much know every damn little thing about insider trading. When they're getting ready to pass a law that affects millions of dollars, they either buy or sell according to the law they're passing. And this goes, with pharmaceutical agencies, insurance companies. They manipulate. Those places lobby our government to do certain things. Our government does them, and right as they're getting ready to be enacted, all of a sudden they're investing or letting go of massive amounts of money. They've actually talked about investigating Pelosi, but we know where that'll go. They said her percentage rate of success on the stock market is better than the best hedge funders. Guys that are like, the masters of the art of investing. She's better than them. Uh, and on her I think $72,000 or $80,000 salary, she's I think worth $400 million. Interesting. But anyway, what's to stop 340 million people in the country from investigating 600? I mean, is there something that says we can't? Can we get a legal team and look at this? Because we can't let our government investigate our government. I think we know that doesn't work. We've seen how they're investigating the Epstein thing, and we're on the third decade, and people are now like, oh, well, how come? Well, you let 2 decades go by. Now we're going into the third decade. I mean, pretty soon the whole generation will be dead before anything happens. So my thoughts are, can we not get some separate legal team to investigate these people? And not just investigate them, prosecute them. If they're found to be, by a jury of their peers, and I don't mean a jury of Democrats and Republicans, I mean an unbiased jury. No affiliation to any party. If they're judged by a jury of unbiased peers, and I think a good idea would be to make sure anybody convicted, it's a prerequisite to not allow them to be pardoned. Kind of like the pardon ahead of time on Fauci that Biden did. I mean, just in case he gets prosecuted, let's make sure we pardon him beforehand. I didn't even know they could do that, but apparently they can, because they did. They do whatever they want. This is where we, the people, the 340 million of us, maybe, step in to slow down the 600 of them a little bit. And then after that's done, let the people, not the FBI, not Congress, not the Attorney General, not none of them, separate team, handle the Epstein files. Let's get some outside people handling this. Outside people that are regular working people, not billionaires that are that are probably in the Epstein file. Regular working people. Get lawyers from firms from different cities. Get them all involved, and let's start a committee and get all this done. I know it probably never happened, but it sounds like a good idea to me. Let me know what it sounds like to you. I mean, I think it's kind of neat. If it happened, I think it'd be great, finally justice, because I don't think we're ever going to see justice any other way. We haven't, and I just don't see it happening. Anyway, I'd really like to hear if anybody thinks this is a good idea, even though, I have no idea how to go about doing it. I bet there's people that do know how to go about doing it. Uh, there's people that know the legal system and what's involved, and just seems like a good idea to me. But then again, I'm just a regular old guy that worked all his life. Leave something in the comments. Let me know what you think. Thanks.